On this video, we're going to be talking about the Canon EFS 24mm lens. Welcome to Brian's Backroom, where we do reviews just like this one. If you're interested in seeing more, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're talking about Canon 24mm lens. This is the EFS series. We're going to do an unboxing and then we're going to run over some features of this lens and show you what it looks like. Okay, let's see what we got here. Instructions, looks like a registration, garbage, lens, and just packaging. So, garbage, and open this up. Let's see if I can find the opening. There it is. Okay. And here we are. Lens cap. And cap. Now that we've got the lens unboxed, we're going to go ahead and start using it. Right now I've got the kit lens on. I'm going to switch over, but just so you get the idea, this is 18 to 55mm kit lens, and this is fully zoomed out right now. I'm going to switch over to the 24 for reference. Okay, now switched over to the 24mm lens. This is what the picture looks like. The tripod is in the exact same spot. I'm in the same spot. Nothing else has changed other than the lens. So right now this is what the video quality is like. I'm going to just see if I can just kind of, let me pick this up. If I can get it out. Okay, so I'm going to hold this. This is at arm's length. Get a nice view of me if you're going for blogging. A little bit of the background going on. So you've got a wide angle there. This lens has an STM motor, and basically what that means is it is autofocusing right now. So as I move around, the camera is staying focused on my face. Got a nice little box in there. The camera adjusts to help deal with that. You get the lens going a little bit. But it's a nice quiet motor. It's keeping track, knows where I am. Okay, we're going to look at some pictures that I took using the lens, because this is good for both video and photography. And so this is a macro lens, so what that does is you can get some real nice detail up close when you're taking pictures. But also, the way this wide angle lens works is you get a real nice, I mispronounce this, it's like bokeh or bokeh. It's the blurriness around the background of the image, so it stays nice, tight focus on whatever you're looking at. Then you get nice blur. You can kind of see that in some of these pictures right here. So you may have heard of the Nifty 50 lens. It's supposed to be real perfect wide angle lens that covers all the great shots up close, gives you the nice blur and everything. Well, it doesn't work quite the same if you have what's called a crop frame camera. So I'm actually using a crop frame camera, and so if you instead use this 24mm lens on a crop frame, you end up getting that same kind of effect as you would have gotten with the 50mm. And so I use this instead. This is on a Canon SL2, which is a crop frame camera. If you have a full frame camera, Nifty 50 is going to work differently. This 24mm is going to look differently. So again, I'm recommending this right now only for crop frame cameras. I haven't used it with the full frame camera, I don't have one. So if you're interested in the Canon EFS 24mm lens, there's a link in the description below. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe.